Are you tired of facing huge potential losses in forex trading and struggling to be consistent with your profits? Look no further. With the right strategies, forex trading can become a pleasurable and profitable experience. As a forex trader, it can be overwhelming to navigate through the vast amount of information available online to find a strategy that works for you. But fear not, I am here to share with you some tips that will kickstart your profitable journey in forex. One simple but effective tip is to backtest a strategy using hourly candlesticks, but only look at candles in 3-hour intervals. For instance, if you want to trade from 5 a.m. to 9 p.m., there will be 16 candles, and you only need to look at the candles at 5 a.m., 8 a.m., 11 a.m., 2 p.m., 5 p.m., and 8 p.m. This way, you can execute a strategy consistently and stay profitable without having to stare at the screen for extended periods. By making market volatility your friend instead of getting scared by it, you can achieve consistent profits in forex trading. The book, Exploring the World of Forex Trading, available on Amazon, is an excellent resource for traders who want to gain more knowledge about the forex market. It covers all the scams that are frequent in forex and much more. So, don't wait any longer. Start your amazing journey in forex trading today, armed with the right strategies and knowledge. All the best.